Hey kiddos, come along and play the swing with your favorite swing taker.
Hey kiddos, it's me, TK, and guess what? You are on another episode of Cooking with TK. So today, kiddos, on Cooking with TK, I thought we could make everyone's favorite breakfast food. Are you ready? Pancakes. Right? You love them, I love them. Let's make them together, okay? Let's go!
Okay, kiddos, so here's what you're gonna need to make your pancakes. I have here 1 egg, this nice silver bowl, or any color bowl you want to mix your pancakes in. I have butter, and I have our pancake flour mixture here. A bag of blueberries, because I'm gonna make a face. This is a spatula, and a nice butter knife to cut the butter. And we have a frying pan. Perfect. Now, let's assemble and put everything together. So first, I put the pancake batter, or the pancake flour, into the silver pan bowl. I cracked my 1 egg. I put the egg into the flour, just like this. And let's see what else. Oh, I have some water here. Because I don't use milk for mine, I'm going to use water. So I put some water in. And you can use oil, vegetable oil, but I think water is better. And I just put the water in a little bit at a time, as you can see. And I start mixing it with the whisk. Perfect. Just like this. Mix it well. Mix it nicely. Mix it good. And faster. Perfect. Faster. I get it. Well, kiddos, can you see? I'm having a really fun time mixing this batter. It gets faster every single time I mix it. Okay, we've got it. Perfect. Now we take our butter and our butter knife. I'm just going to cut off a piece of butter like this. Pop it into the frying pan. Smooth it all the way around the frying pan until the butter melts. As you can see, just like this. I put my butter knife to the side and I pick up my batter. I'm just going to pour the batter into the frying pan, making a nice complete circle like this. Okay, perfect. Okay, now here's a nice secret. Maybe you know already, maybe you don't, but I'm going to tell you, okay? As you can see, the pancake is cooking. Now, you're probably asking yourself, when do I flip it over? Let me show you. Can you see the little bubbles here and here? Can you see? Right here and here and here, right? That's how you know it's almost time to flip the pancake. When there's a lot of bubbles forming on top, that's when it's time to flip. Now, I'm just gonna loosen the pancake like this. See how I'm loosening it? See, it's actually moving. See, I can pick up the pan and move the pancake around just like this. So it's almost time to flip. Now, I'm going to try my best to flip it right now. Watch this. Watch. 1. Oh, and it worked. It worked. So what I like to do is I like to scrape off the excess, as you can see. I take off the excess pancake batter because I like perfect circle pancakes. You see this? And I take all of it off. And it's perfect. Now there's a perfect circle. Okay. And then I flip it over again, which might be a little too early. See, that's why I flipped it back. Don't flip it over too quickly. Let it cook a little bit, and then you can flip it over again. But I'm just gonna let it cook for a little bit longer. I pat it down a little bit, just like this. It's just perfect. It's perfect. the perfect circled pancakes. Great.
Hey kiddos, so here it is, the final product. Here is our delicious, yummy pancake. Now, you can put so many things on your pancakes, right? We know you can put syrup, you can put everything. You can put everything. But today, what I want to do is put some whipped cream, and I'm going to make a really fun happy face with the blueberries. Are you ready? Watch. Here we go.
Okay, kiddos, so we have some whipped cream that I'm just going to spray on top of my pancake, just like this. It's a lot of whipped cream, but remember, we don't eat this every day, so it's okay. Enjoy it. I have some blueberries. I'm going to put 1, 2 for the eyes, and I'm going to make a smiley face for this one. So I'm going to put some more down just like this. I'm going to make a happy face. Easy like this, right? I line them up all perfectly until you get a nice, cute smile face. 3, 2, 1, ta-da!
So kiddos, I have my beautiful happy face made out of blueberries and whipped cream on our pancake, and now we're gonna take a bite. Are you ready? Let's take a bite and see how it tastes. Yay! Mmm, yummy. Gotta get some whipped blueberries. It's falling. Ah, it's falling. Okay, here we go. Mmm, yummy. Delicious. Kiddos, you know, breakfast is breakfast with pancakes. You know, you can't go wrong with pancakes. They're delicious. Remember, you can put all kinds of ingredients on your pancakes. Remember, any kind of fruit is okay. Blueberries, strawberries, boysenberries, raspberries. You can use whipped cream, syrup, jam, anything you want. You know, I just love waking up on Sunday morning and having breakfast, have pancakes or whatever it is. Yes? Did you have fun in this video? Did you? Good. Okay, please subscribe. Tell all your friends about Doremi Learning Antics. We're bringing so many videos your way, and we just truly hope to see you in our future videos, okay? Subscribe, okay? And don't forget to tell everybody about Doremi Learning Antics, okay? We love you. Bye!